Hey guys, this is Pooja from Sapadshala. I hope all of you are doing well and staying indoors. Now, quarantine and lockdown has only increased our hunger pangs, if not for anything. And the home chefs are always looking for new varieties to be prepared in the kitchens. But there is a shortage of vegetables as well, and it's really hard to source for them. So, what do? Here is a quick and interesting sabji recipe which goes well with all variety of rices, rotis, chapatis and fulkas. And it is prepared from a waste which all of us throw after eating the fruit. Yes, watermelon is in season and we all love eating the juicy red fruit. But the white rind, it's so tasteless and we almost throw it. Well, prepare this interesting sabzi with it and you will not only make something out of the waste but also benefit from the nutrition in it. Watermelon rind is a good source of vitamin C and vitamin B6 and an amino acid citrulline. This makes it good for your skin and immunity as well as the health of your nervous system. After you have used the juicy red flesh, just peel the dark green skin, soak the rind in water for some time, wash it, drain it and then dice it up. Did you like this recipe? This is how you can effectively utilize your kitchen ingredients. If nothing else, this lockdown has taught us minimalism and wise usage of ingredients. As I said, you can serve this curry with any staple of your choice. Now I have served this with the Jeera Red Rice that I showed you in my previous video. If you've not seen it yet, I will link it down below in the description box and also in the iCard above. For more such interesting recipe, do like, share, subscribe and comment down below. What would you like to see next? Till then, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. I intend to do more such recipes with watermelon rind. If you don't want to miss all that, what you waiting for? Click the subscribe button now.